Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Pavilion 14dy1xxx. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Pavilion 14dy1xxx has a cracked screen, you might be experiencing frustration while using your device. This issue often occurs due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen, which can lead to cracks. If left unrepaired, a cracked screen can worsen, potentially causing additional damage to the internal components or making the display unusable. To begin the repair, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement LCD cover specifically for the HP Pavilion 14dy1xxx. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Using a suction cup, gently lift the screen to create a small gap. Then, insert the plastic opening tool into the gap to carefully pry open the bezel surrounding the screen. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once the bezel is removed, you will see the LCD panel secured by screws. Carefully unscrew these using your Phillips screwdriver, noting the types of screws and their positions for reassembly. After removing the screws, gently lift the LCD panel from its mount. Disconnect the cables attached to the back of the LCD by carefully pulling the connectors straight out without tugging on the wires. Now, take your replacement LCD cover and align it with the mount. Reconnect the cables to the new screen, ensuring they are firmly in place. Once connected, press the LCD panel back into its mount and secure it with the screws you previously removed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the LCD, align the bezel back onto the device and press it down until it clicks into place. Power on your HP Pavilion 14dy1xxx to ensure that the new screen is functioning correctly. To prevent future cracks, consider using a protective case and being mindful of where you place your device. Avoid placing heavy items on top of it and always handle it with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.